Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening another box of Magic the Gathering, Lord of the Rings, Tales of Middle-earth. So without further ado, let's open it. Let's not waste time. Let's see what we get. More Orcish Bowmasters. Yes please. There's still one version of Saruman that I would like to get. But if I don't, then that's it. I will just get it individually. So let's see what we get in our box topper. We have a Balin's Tomb, also known as an Ancient Tomb. I have way too many of those already. And that's fine. Moving on. Starting with the first pack, we have a Foil Mountain. We have a regular Prince Imrahil the Fair, an extended art Gothmog Morgul Lieutenant, and we have the Doors of Durin, Deceive the Messenger in foil, and a minigame / format token. On to the next pack we go with a Foil Mountain, just regular one for. We have a Shire Sheriff, Samwise Gamgee. We have Eowyn, Fearless Knight, and a foil Orcish Bowmasters. Starting the box of Strong, I see. Definitely not gonna say no to that one. Moving on to the next pack with a Full Art Forest. We have a Nazgul. That's also a nice one. We have Merry, Esquire of Rohan, as well as a foil extended art Lash of a Balrog. And that's it. Let's continue with a mountain. Lovely mountain. A Rising of the Day. We have Aragorn, the Uniter, Gimli's Fury in foil, and a food token. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. A regular island. Not too shabby. We have extended art Mirkwood Bats. We have Barad-dûr, extended art Eowyn, Fearless Knight, a foil Lost to Legend, and from the list, a Cavern Harpy. What was the deck called? There was one deck in Legacy in particular that played it, and I've already forgotten. Basically, you made the Harpy free, and then you did a bunch of shenanigans, returning it and searching out other creatures. Yeah, forgotten about it. So here we have there and back again, and we have that's a lovely one. A foil Gandalf the White in extended art. I'm definitely gonna sleeve that because I like how it looks like. And of course, we want to make sure that it looks like that. That's a cool one. Moving on to the next pack. And the deck of the Cavern Harpy was actually Aloran. That's the one. Because that's the enchantment which actually made it so that you could play it for free as long as it was mana cost 3 or less, if I recall correctly. It's been a while. We have Gimli, Counter of Kills. We have Elrond, Master of Healing. We have a foil Eomer of a Riddermark. And from the list, an Imp's Taunt. Moving on. With a full art island. We have a Gandalf, friend of the Shire, wandering to rule them all. Banished from Edoras in foil. And a piece of cardboard. Moving on. We have a swamp. A lovely little swamp. We have a foray of orcs. We have Eomer, Marshal of Rohan, second breakfast, and from the list a Murasa Ranger. On to the next pack we go. Where we start with a forest, a extended art Gothmog, Morgul Lieutenant, a Galadriel, Elven Queen, Goldberry, River Daughter, a foil Grishnak, Brash Instigator, and a human soldier token. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. We get a lovely mountain. We get the Shire Sheriff. We get a Moria Marauder, a foil Gimli counter of kills, and an Orc army token. On to the next pack we go. With a lovely full art swamp. You know my opinion on those from the first video, so I'm not going to repeat that. If you don't, go watch that video. We have a glowing Dwarf Emissary and a foil Book of Mazabul. I'm not apologizing for the name that I butcher. That's what I'm kind of known for. Well, not really known for, but that's my thing. We have a swamp. We have a extended art Oliphant. We have a Fall of Caer Andros. We have a foil Bilbo, retired burglar, and a food token. On to the next pack we go. With a full art island. A extended art Mirkwood Bats, a Glamdring, a foil Shire Scarecrow, and a food token. On to the next pack we go. With a full art forest. A Dunland, Crebain, Frodo, Sauron's Bane, and a foil Hiflane Knots, and from the list a legacy weapon. That's an oldie. Moving on with an island. A Voracious Fell Beast in extended art. Rangers of Ithilien. And a extended art foil Gothmog Morgul Lieutenant, which also looks cool. And from the list we get a Wall of Granite, which can't attack. On to the next pack we go, with an island in foil. As well as a extended art Pippin's Bravery. Lost Isle Calling, Fearfire Foes for our foil. And, oh, that's also a good one, an Archmage Emeritus from the list. That's actually a really decent card. Happy about that one. Moving on, we have a Plains, just a regular old Plains. We have an extended art Rising of the Day. Born Upon a Wind. We have a foil Quick Beam, Upstart End, and a food token. On to the next pack we go. where we have a forest. A Prince Imrahil the Fair in extended art. We have Gandalf, Westward Voyager for our mythic. We have an Arwen, Mortal Queen for our second mythic. And a foil Easterling Vanguard. Cool, cool. Moving on. With a foil Swamp. Another extended art Prince Imrahil the Fair. A Scroll of Isildur. A foil Cast into Fire. And a Ballistic Boulder. Still a few packs to go. Let's see what we get in the next one. A Full Art Forest. That's what we get. And of course we also get a Lash of the Balrog. We get the Shire. And a foil Mirkwood Spider. As well as a Tentacle token. Moving on with a Full Art Mountain. Let's see what else we have here. Peregrine Took, a Horn of the Mark, a foil Horses of Bruinen, and a Priest of Titania from the list. That's also a nice one. Fits the theme, the elf theme that Green Blue has going in the set. Next pack we have a lovely Plains. With a Voracious Fell Beast for extended art. We have Eowyn, Shield Maiden, Barad-dûr, the second one I think in the box. We have a foil The Mouth of Sauron and the Ring Assistance card. Moving on to a Full Art Forest. We have a extended art Foray of Orcs. We have a Minas Tirith, a extended art foil Many Partings, and an advertisement card. On to the next pack we go with a Full Art Island. A Faramir, Field Commander, Last March of the Ents, a foil Goblin Fire Leaper, and a minigame. So, 5 packs left to go. That looks like a Golem. And it is a Golem. A Full Art Plains, Lembas, very nice. We have a Neverdanland Crevain. We have Shagrat, Loot Bearer, a foil Istmark Cavalier, and an Orc Army. 4 packs left to go. Let's see what we can get in those last few packs. A foil Mountain, another Lembas. That should make the playset if I counted correctly. A Nasty End. We have Sting, the Glinting Dagger, and a foil Rivendell. That's a nice. Let's see if I can catch it in the camera as well. That's a nice foiling effect. Third to last pack. Where we start with the Plains. Many Partings for the extended one. We have another Lotho, the Corrupt Sheriff, Pippin's Bravery in foil, and an Elven Warhounds from the list. Second to last pack. With a foil Mountain for our starter. Once again, 2 eagles back to back. The Grey Havens extended art. The Mines of Moria. Was missing that one. And a Shadowfax Lord of Forces in full. And an Orc Army. Last pack. Let's see what did we get out of that. I should do it extra slow. No, let's not do that. We have a Forest. We have a Denethor, Ruling Steward, Quick Beam, Upstart End for the first extended. Then we have a Shire in extended art. We have Sorin's Ransom and a foil Gorbak of Minas Morgul. And it ends, how fitting, with the ring. So, thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I'll be seeing you at the next one.